welcome back to Explore with Repsan. Guys, these are bad news. Guys, as you know, I'm Marwa and Rocio. They are currently in Zanzibar. So they visited one of the island which goes by the name Pemba Island, and they decided to also go further and exploit another island, which, according to what Amaru was saying, it somehow changed the ownership to a private ownership. But guys, they enjoyed themselves throughout the day. But when it came to the time to go back to Pemba Island, guys, I was also shocked to see how those big tides were coming to their boats. Guys, can't risk this for content. Imagine they took the almost the whole day being on this island, but when it came to time to go back to the Pemba Island, guys, the tide was so much in an extent that you can see even the person who is driving that boat is struggling. It reached an extent that Marwa requested for the life jacket. I know he had seen this the day. This is the day. This is the day me and my wife were going. But luckily, since they managed to go back to Pemba Island, guys, just take care because your life matters. So when you are going to these deep seas, just take your life jacket with you because you never know. Things normally change. Weather do change. When they were going, they were enjoying, but when it came uh, uh, to the time of them going back to Pemba Island, guys, it was super rainy and the tides were big, in an extent that you can see that boat is really struggling. So that's it. Until next time, see you on the next gossip. Bye bye. And remember to join our membership for exclusive news. Bye.